often joke in my manifestation class that we can't just, meditate and hope for checks to fall out of the sky. We have to actually take the actions. We need to show up for our lives, right? And this is so important because there's really two parts to co-creating. We are co-creating with the universe. So when you're wanting to manifest a life that you love, something that you really deeply desire for yourself, and experience a feeling, there's really two parts to this. There's our part, which is to show up fully. Okay. Showing up fully means I've set the intention, I'm doing and taking the actions, I am honoring my word, I'm, in integrity with what I said I was going to do. I'm showing up fully to the point where it's not compromising my well-being. This is also very important because, if you're like me, I can, in the past, I have tended to overdo things or push myself too hard or overextend myself in order to succeed at something. This is not mastery. Okay. This is not the way that we actually take right action. Right action is meaning I take the actions that I can take within my capacity to operate at optimal levels without compromising my well-being. Okay. So I'm not forcing or pushing myself. Okay. It's very important that I know that I've done everything that I possibly can do within the range of what I can accomplish in ways that also honor my needs. Okay. So very, very, very important. If you have to pause and rewind and listen to that again, please do so. Okay. This is so important. So I've done my part. And the second part is now it's up to the universe. Right now I've surrendered it. I've shown up fully. And we'll see now if this is going to go the way that I've intended, or if the universe is redirecting me in some other way, right? So right action is just simply me doing my part and then trusting and allowing for me to be redirected if necessary. That's why in intentions, we don't set specific outcomes. We don't set out to create very specific things. We set out to create experiences, feelings, right? Ways in which we want to operate, ways in which we want to live life without being attached to the how of it. The how is the realm of the universe. Okay, so just let that go, do your part, which is the right action.